Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go.
Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So guys, today I will show you how to create 3 different styling of Easter tablescape. So one of them is glam, one of them is modern, and the other one is, I call this Shabby Chic, and it's all like pastel color. So I have all this item last year, and I shop my home to create this table setting. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy this video and you get some inspiration with this. So I call this one high and low because some items here is from the thrift store, and the other one is high and low, which is I mix item from dollar store, Z Gallery, and Home Goods. Alright, let's get started.
Everyone, in this video I am collaborating with my friend inspired by Chanel. We did 3 tablescape already, and this is the recap of the first one. It is the wild tropical Easter tablescape, and the second we did is the Tiffany blue Easter tablescape. So guys, after you watch my video, please go over to Inspired by Chanel's channel and tell her I sent you. And here is the recap of my Tiffany blue Easter tablescape, and this one is my wild tropical Easter tablescape.
Welcome to my table number 1, and this one is modern Easter tablescape.
Esta vez sentía que era eterno, tus besos fríos como el invierno. Lo sé, pero tal vez estás con otro que no te quieres. Pero yo te quisiera más que 1000 mujeres. Tiene que doler para sanar y cerrar esta herida. Y se siente vivir cuando no estás. Pero así es la vida, baby. Tiene que doler para sanar y cerrar esta herida. Y se siente vivir cuando no estás. Lo que viví no se olvida. Oh yeah, ¿qué tal si algún día nos vemos? Y me acuerdo de esos instantes. Si dejáramos el pasado y esos besos, pero los dos nos amaríamos como antes. Es que no es la realidad, pero si fuera verdad, creo que me parará todo ese dolor. Pero no me llevará a donde yo quiera estar, sin una imaginación a tu alrededor. El cielo está nublado y solo hoy, porque el sol me dijo, baby, ya me voy. Es duro que tú me trates como estoy. Yo por nadie cambiaría lo que soy. El cielo está nublado y solo hoy, porque el sol me dijo, baby, ya me voy. Es duro que tú me trates como estoy. Deja cicatrices, tiene que doler para sanar.
Here, welcome to my table number 2. Here, I decided to do another Tiffany blue Easter tablescape because the last time me and her we did this, I only did one table setting.
Todo nos separa, pero nada nos une. No lo arreglamos aunque tengo todo tune. El tiempo lo siento, está perdido. Dale todo a lo no correspondido. Vea, que no te tenga a ti. Ya muchos quieren de mí, pero yo las dejo en visto. Obvio que por eso te seguí. Es que me hiciste sentir como si yo fuera Cristo. El cielo está nublado y solo hoy, porque el sol me dijo, baby, ya me voy. Es duro que tú me trates como estoy. Yo por nadie cambiaría lo que soy. El cielo está nublado y solo hoy, porque el sol
Charger
me dijo,
from
baby, ya
Amazon,
me voy. Es
placemat
duro que
from
tú me
Pure
trates
One, dinner
como
plate from
estoy.
Pure
Deja
One, salad plate from Home Goods, and my napkin from Pure One, napkin ring from Amazon.
herida y se siente vivir cuando no estás. Pero así es la vida, baby. Tiene que doler para sanar y cerrar esta herida. Y se siente vivir cuando no estás. Lo que viví no se olvida.
Napkin from Z Gallery, and the salad plate from Home Goods. throw pillow from Z Gallery, and same thing with my throw blanket.
And here is my table number 3. And this one, I call this a little bit of shabby chic. This is my interpretation of shabby chic, so I don't know you guys. And I use all the pastel color here, and I hope you enjoy. Tomorrow, everyone, don't forget to tune in. Me and Renters Lab Luxury by N, we are collaborating with each other, and this one is a rustic Easter tablescape. I'm probably gonna do some glam there, so we'll see. Everyone, please don't forget to stop by at Inspired by Chanel's channel and tell her I sent you. You will get some inspiration over there through the DIYs. She mostly do Chanel DIY, tablescape, and home decorating. Everyone, let me start with my placemat. So this placemat right here, I got this one from Home Goods, I believe 3 years ago. This one as well, I got this in Hobby Lobby when I used to still live in Columbus 3 years ago. And this melamine dinner plate came from Hobby Lobby, and that was last year 90% off. Same thing with this one right here, so all of this is 90% off last year. And so that's the price right there. This is the first time that I use a melamine, and I like it, and it came also, it matches with my napkin and my napkin ring. Also the same thing with my runner, that one is also came from Hobby Lobby. My silverware, this one came from Home Goods. This one, I thrifted this, and this is actually pure one, and I painted it in copper because when I participate in one of my friends' tablescape, it is copper and crystal, and I don't have a copper candelabra, so I just painted this one. This one, I have this, I believe that is in TG Maxx last year. And this one right here, I thrifted this one from Goodwill, and it's perfect. That was like 9 months ago, and I have a tablescape with this one. I will drop the link below. It is called 100% tablescape that hosted by the Thrift Queen, and I made this flower arrangement. So this is the very budget friendly that I made because it mixed with items from Hobby Lobby and Dollar Store. So these goblets right here came from Dollar Store,
Dollar Tree, and look at this, it's pretty. This is, I think, twice I already used that one. And you guys see that all the time. And I also have another bunny there, came from Hobby Lobby. And same thing with this over here. So this one is from Hobby Lobby as well, and this one also. And my pillow came from Amazon like last year. So I think that's it.
Everyone, let me know what you think about this table setting from number 1, number 2, and number 3. Please let me know which one is your favorite. And thank you so much. You can follow me in Instagram at Glamour Ellen. Same thing with my Facebook, it is Glamour Ellen. And if you like my videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so every time I upload new videos, you will be notified. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye everyone. Be safe.